Hello everybody, welcome to online class. In today's class, we'll discuss case studies for auditing subject. Okay, because in the last class we have done with the portion with the syllabus of the auditing. Okay, so in today's class we'll discuss some case studies, some 2 to 3 case studies, how you have to write down the case studies and all we'll discuss, and then we'll wind up the subject. Okay. And one more note, before going to the case study, you people have to note down the case study problem, okay, before going to the solution. Okay, the first one, if you are an auditor conducting the audit work of XYZ Limited Dharwad, during the process of audit, if you find some irregularities in the books of accounts and financial statements, such as over and undervaluation of assets, insufficient provision for depreciation, etc. For the above situation, being an auditor, what type of audit report prepared by you, and give the specimen of such audit report. Okay, the question. First, you have to read the question carefully. You have to understand the case study is related to what topic, and then you have to go for the questions so that you can answer for it. Okay, the case study is what they have told you, that if you are an auditor, imagine that you are an auditor conducting the audit work of XYZ Company Limited, Dharwad. During the audit process, if you find some irregularities in the books of accounts and financial statements, they have given that if you find during the process of the auditing, if you find any irregularities, any errors, any frauds, okay, such as over and undervaluation of assets, insufficient provision for depreciation, then for the such above situation, being an auditor, what type of audit report will be prepared by you? So the case study is related to fifth unit, that is audit report. In the question only they have given what type of audit report will you prepare when there are irregularities, when there are errors or frauds in the audit process or in the books of accounts or the financial statement, then what type of audit report will you prepare, and give the specimen of such audit report. You have to first mention what type of audit report will you prepare, and you have to give the format of that audit report, or specimen will be one of the example of that report you have to give. Okay, this is what the case study is. Now, the case study is related to what? Fifth unit, that is audit report. Now, go through the types of audit report. What all types are there? Clean audit report is there, qualified, that is clean audit report with the branches and without branches are there, and another one is qualified report is there. Clean report is what? When auditor is satisfied with the audit work of books of account and financial statement. If there is no irregularities, then clean report will be prepared. If there is irregularities, then qualified report will be prepared, where when auditor is not satisfied, qualified report will be prepared, where he will mention such irregularities, which will be known as what? Qualification. Right? Then in this case study, irregularities are there or not? Yes, it is there. It is mentioned here, right? In the question, irregularities are there. So, as an auditor, you have to prepare which type of report, either clean or qualified. It is qualified report which we have to prepare. Okay, so we got our first answer. The first question is what? For the above situation, being an auditor, what type of audit report will be prepared by you? So, which type of audit report will you prepare? Qualified. You have to write down that which type of qualified report will you audit report will you prepare. You have to write down the reason for it, and you have to mention the meaning of that particular report. Okay, let's begin the answer. Okay, for the above situation, being an auditor, the type of audit report prepared is which type? Qualified report. Here it is mentioned. I have mentioned in the answer. I have given answer for you people as well. Okay. Next, qualified report is a report where there is a qualified audit opinion that expresses by auditors. That is, he expresses his qualified opinion, that is, if he is not satisfied or if there is any irregularities, those opinions will be mentioned in this report by the auditor and stating the reason why the qualified opinion is expressed. And opinions will be known as what? Qualification. Okay. In the above cases, what are the qualification or the opinion or the irregularities will be over and undervaluation of assets, insufficient provision for depreciation, etc. So in that report, he has to mention this. Now they have asked you, give the specimen of such audit report. Specimen is nothing but one of the example. There is no need that you have to prepare only this. Okay. I'll just show you the format. If you want, you can prepare the same report for this case study as well. Specimen of audit report. Okay, for qualified report. We have audited the balance sheet of, here instead of ABC Limited, you can write on as XYZ Limited as at March so and so, and the profit and loss account, and as required by company's order issued by the Central Government of India in terms of companies, we enclose in the annexure statement of the matter specified. Then further to our comments in the annexure referred to above, we report that you have to mention your qualification here. Then on the basis of written representation received from the directors, recorded board of directors, we report that none of the directors is disqualified. Okay. And in our opinion and to the best of our information, according to the explanation given to us, the said accounts subject to the remarks above number 8 schedule, then liabilities, and means you have to mention all these in your report. This is what the specimen. Chartered accountant, his signature, place of signature, place you have to mention, and date. This is what one of the specimen. You can write down the specimen of the same case study. Okay, for example, first you have to write down as the same as I have told you here, the ABC, instead of ABC you can write down as XYZ. In the qualification you can write down these 2 points and you can mention the other points there. Okay, this is what the first case study for the auditing. The remaining case studies we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.